Well, hello everyone. I'm Rushi Ghizal from U.P.S Kusumbhi, unnao, and today I'm presenting a lesson plan in mathematics, and the topic is algebra, which is called as Biji Galit Avdharnaएं in Hindi. Now, the subtopics over here are we are going to tell the children what are the uses of English small alphabets, base and power, basically exponents, constant, and variables. The teaching aids over here in general aids we have white book, colored marker, duster, and in specific ads we have Diksha app flashcards. The general objectives are to create interest in math, to develop mathematical attitude, and to develop power of independent thinking and reasoning. For instructional objectives, for knowledge, students will develop the desired knowledge or algebra. Understanding, they will create the understanding of algebra and they will develop the required skills related to the topic. Now, they will also be able to apply the knowledge of the topic in their day to day life. For previous knowledge assumed, it is assumed that children are aware of whole numbers, natural numbers, and integers. So, teacher asks the question, what are natural numbers? And students reply, number that starts from 1, 2, and move on till infinity. Then what are whole numbers? That is numbers that start from 0. So we have got 0, 1, 2, 3 and this can move till infinity. What are integers? Children tell 0 plus minus 1 plus minus 2 plus minus 3 till you can move on till plus minus infinity. These are called as integers. Then teacher asks the question, can you count the number of stars in the sky? And there is no response. The teacher announces the topic that we are going to study algebra. The presentation is as following. Firstly, the teacher asks the students the following question, that can you count the number of marbles which I have given? So they say yes, we can count, and they tell how much they are. Then after that, the teacher says, can you count the number of stars on the sky? Or can you count the number of leaves on a tree? The students reply no. Then teacher says that we use small alphabets of English such as A, X, Y, any alphabet from A to Z to represent unknown mathematical quantities in mathematics. That is one which we not know. So she again asked the children how many number of stars are there in the sky, and they say there are X numbers of stars in the sky. The teacher further explains them that variables are those quantity which can vary, that are small alphabets of English X, Y, Z, etc., because their value keeps on differing according to our question. And constant are the one which are basically specific numbers like 1, 3, 100, 203, etc. are constants, and students see the board. After this, the teacher explained them about exponents, that is base and power. Students see the board and teacher writes 2 to the power 3. So teacher reads it and then explains that over here 2 is called as base and 3 is called as power. That is, 2 को यहाँ पर आधार कहा जाता है और 3 को यहाँ पर घातांक कहा जाता है. So it means over here that 2 is multiplied 3 times. That means 2 to the power 3 is 2 into 2 into 2. That is 8. Further, the teacher writes 8 to the power b or reads it and then explains that a is base over here, b is power over here. So this lessons ends over here. This is basically a lesson plan for class 6. In homework, Teacher asks them to calculate the following, that is sum of x and y, x multiplied by 5, etc. Then write the question these in exponent form. Then in recapitulation, teacher asks them to write the following question in multiplication forms. Again, she asks the students to write the constants and variables in the following questions.